Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO19 Excel Chapter 4 PS1 Advertising. In its project description, the marketing manager of the Painted Paradise Golf Resort and Spa, Timothy Smith, has created a spreadsheet of first 6 months, first 2 quarters of advertising expense for various amenities of the resort. He is planning to display the data at the next board of director meeting and want to create a few charts to make the figure easier to view and the presentation more visually appealing. So that's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open the file name Excel Chapter 4 PS1 Advertising. Grader has automatically added your last name to the start of the file name. Save the file to the location where you are sorting your files. I have already opened this file. Grader added my last name to the beginning of the file name. We will move to our second step. Our second step is to graphically display the expense total for 6 months. You will create a line chart, then move the chart to a chart sheet on the advertising cost worksheet. So we will go to the advertising cost worksheet. That's our advertising cost worksheet. Create a line chart of the data for the total spend on advertising each month from January to June. So we will go to the January to June through June and insert a line chart. Which line chart he is asking? Insert a line chart of the data. So we need to insert a line chart. That's our line chart. We have inserted our line chart, or you will go like that. You will go to the insert and go to the recommended charts, and here you will go to the all charts, and here in the line chart you will follow the first line chart, which is only line chart, and select OK. That's our line chart. Create a line chart of the data, and on each the primary axis should be the month of the year. So primary axis we will use to see that that's our primary axis. Primary axis should be the month of the year. So we need to change the chart. That's our not required chart. We will go to the insert tab, and here in the recommended chart we will go to the line charts and select the which one have the primary axis as a this one. In this you see here we have the primary axis in the horizontal axis. That's our required chart. We will select this one and press OK. So that's our required chart. The primary horizontal axis should be month of the year, and the vertical axis should be the total spend on the advertising each month. Then the vertical axis is the total spend each month on the advertising. It's that's one chart. So that's our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Cengage courses, Pearson Plus courses, or Canvas courses, or if you need help in the Excel assignment, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignment, RSS assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video, or just you can just comment on this video. So I will get you soon. We will move to our third step. Our third step is to improve the appearance of the chart. You will add a descriptive chart title and adjust the axis minimums. So we will copy this chart title and paste it as a chart title. That's our chart title. Change the vertical axis to minimum to 26,000. We will copy this. We will select the vertical axis. That's our vertical axis. And while in the axis option, we will change the minimum to 26,000. Here the minimum. We will change it to 26,000. That's now change. Apply chart style 12. So apply chart style 12. That's our chart style 12. That's our third step. Our fourth step is move the line chart to a chart sheet. Name the sheet as a advertising monthly total. So we will copy this and we will move the chart to a new sheet. The name of the sheet is a advertising monthly totals and press OK. So we have got our chart in a new sheet. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is next you want to create and modify a pie chart to display the amenities and their 6-month total. On the advertising cost worksheet, create a 3D pie chart of the amenities and their 6-month totals in the cell range A16 to B22. So we will go to the cell our advertising cost worksheet. So we need to create a pie chart of the amenities and 6-month totals. That's our amenities and that's our 6-month total. So we will select these amenities from B16 to A16 to A16 to B22. We have selected A16 to B22 and go to the insert tab, and here we will select the 2D pie chart. That's our 2D pie chart. We need to insert a 3D pie chart. So we will control Z and go to insert, and here we will insert a 3D pie chart. Move the chart to the top left corner of the chart in the cell C14. So we will move this one. So its upper left corner is in the cell C14. So here is the chart position. Resize the chart so the bottom size of the corner is in the cell H29. So we will resize this one to its move it down so its lower size is lower right corner is inside H29 now. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is on the advertising cost worksheet, edit the chart title of 3D pie chart to semi-annual advertising cost. We will copy this and change the chart title as a semi-annual advertising cost. We will add it here, chart title, and we will paste our title here and apply chart style 8. We need to apply chart style 8. That's our chart style 8. We have applied. That's our chart style 8. Now we will move to our seventh step. Change the color of the pie chart to colorful pretty 2. So we will go to the change color and we will select the colorful pretty 2 chart style, chart color. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is add data callouts as a data labels to the 3D pie chart. So we will go to the data labels. We will select the data clouds as a data labels. We have got the data clouds as the data label. Include the category and name and percentage in the data labels. So we will go get the data label. Here we need to insert the percentage and what is saying category name. We have already added a category name and percentage we have added. Explore the segment of the chart that has allotted to the smallest amount of the advertising fund exercise facility to 25%. So we will select the exercise facility where that's our exercise facility. We need to explore this to 25%. No, it's total exploding. We need to explode only this one, which is 25%. Now it's exploded up to 25%. We will make it explode by 25%. We will type 25 here and press enter. So it's exploded 25%. That's our 8th step. We have total 15 steps of this assignment. I have performed 8 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just comment on this video, or you can just scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates.